All right, so I want to welcome everyone to their 2018 Positive Intentions by Accessing Your Higher Self. So I was inspired to do this about a week ago because my higher self kept coming to me saying, hey, we know that you know, and we have to open you up to receive all that you know. So we're going to do a simple exercise connecting with your higher self so this upcoming year you can completely trust yourself. You can totally rely on your intuition to guide you moment to moment and then open up your heart, body, mind, and spirit to fully receive. Okay? So take a few moments to get super comfortable wherever you are. You're going to start to bring your awareness all the way through your head. So your head being the beautiful mind that can create with thought. We want to open it up to receive love because the positive thoughts are what's going to create what you want. So we're simply going to bring the light into your mind. So go ahead and fill every space in your mind, every thought with love. You can see the light come in because it's carrying that frequency of unconditional love. Allowing your guides, your angels, your higher self to be fully present to you right now. Taking a deep breath in, relaxing any stress, any tension. From here, you're going to allow that white golden light energy to move down through your chest into your heart cavity. The spaces, the time, the energies, the memories, everything inside your heart. You're going to go ahead and clear out your heart space with unconditional love. So you're fully present in this moment, here and now. Breathing in this light. You can even bring in the color green, the orb of the fourth chakra, right where we are, your heart. And going, just spinning that chakra the clockwise direction, just opening the heart, moving in forgiveness, unconditional love, any frequencies that will allow you to completely let go of everything up until this moment. And then notice how your energy, when your heart softens, starts to move down into your belly because it suddenly becomes very safe to be in your body. Because your heart is the opening, the portal to safety, right? Because love is always where it's at. So breathing that light into your belly, you can even take your hand and just rub your belly. So from your third chakra down to your first, just opening your body to receive the light, to receive the beautiful, unconditional, loving space of your spirit, of your higher self. And as you keep rubbing your belly, breathing in that light, breathing in that space, you're going to ask that the presence of your higher self comes in through the top of your head, down through your heart, into your belly. And you can place both hands on your belly. You're going to breathe. And you're going to connect to your knowing. And as you breathe into your knowing, you're going to ask to receive guidance. Now this guidance is going to come through you as a thought, as a feeling, and it will resonate with your knowing. So the way you know if your guidance is from your higher self is you know that you know. It matches with your knowing. So any thoughts, any distracting energy, anything that you might have picked up in your past from other people, maybe even in this moment, if you feel other energies starting to come into your field, you can drop into your knowing. And from the place of your knowing, you'll actually feel both feet on the ground. You will embody your beingness. So your higher self lives in your body. Because when you channel your intuition, you are becoming a conduit for your higher self. That's why we move through all the 7 chakras and end with your higher self. So you can review that meditation, and until then, we're just going to bring the light straight through the crown, down through your core. And each and every cell of your body is going to be touched by the light. Now, I know you have your 10 intentions because I've asked each of you to write them down. What I'm going to have you do is you're going to ask for guidance. You're going to align your intuition with your intentions. And you're going to say, hey, higher self, within, above, below, all around, guides and angels, all forces of light, please guide me in the highest, most loving way for me to manifest these intentions in 2018. And what you're going to do is you're going to breathe in the light, breathe in the space. And with that, you're just going to open up to see and feel with your body first what feels best. So that will be your gut moving you towards or away. It will be your mind, your thoughts that come through your mind saying, hey, this feels good or this doesn't feel good. It will be a divine inspiration. It will be a flow where you naturally just find yourself in the moment feeling really happy. And then the final step is to take action on what feels good. This is the key. You're going to let go of any thought or emotion that doesn't feel good, and you're not going to act on that. But for 2018, you are going to act on what feels good, because that puts you in alignment with your higher self. And you'll watch each of these intentions start to click in. It may not be how your intellectual mind thinks it will happen, but it will happen in miraculous ways. And the best advice I can give for you is trust the positive feeling. Because you are light, because you are love, when you're moving in alignment, in constant communication with what feels good, all the other stuff drops away. Because the primary objective of your subconscious mind is to keep you safe and to keep you feeling really good. And so when you feel really good, your life opens. When your life opens, you're able to receive all these intentions that you asked for. So we're simply letting go of all the resistance. We're opening up to receive, and we're trusting, most importantly, our bodies, the gut feeling, the inner voice, the inner knowingness, and the full completeness of our divine nature, which is to align with the light and love that we are, and just watch the miracles unfold. So I look forward to connecting with you in your private session and aligning you to your goals for 2018. All right, see you soon. Bye.